Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati Environmental Studies Part 2, Lesson number 18, Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. We'll see the lesson Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj. As we know that our Shivaji Maharaj have taken lots of efforts to develop Hindavi Swaraj. After that, he also took efforts for the welfare state of the Swaraj. Now Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust powers. There were many powers such as Adil Shah and Mughal powers, the Portuguese and the Siddhis of Janjira. After taking lots of efforts, Shivaji Maharaj was successful to develop independent Hindavi Swaraj. He created Hindavi Swaraj. Now for smooth working of this developed Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 departments. He just wanted to go everything well. He appointed a minister in charge of each. This was his famous council of 8 ministers. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run for the welfare of the people. He just wanted, Shivaji Maharaj was just interested that our people should get benefit from each and everything. Everything should be done for the welfare of the people. It was run with the assistance of the 8 ministers. So, to develop that, Shivaji Maharaj decided to appoint 8 ministers to look after the working of Swaraj. So Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointments. He himself made the appointment and he also supervised all the work done by them. Now the 8 ministers was appointed on their eligibility and merit. The only thing which was kept in mind by Shivaji Maharaj was my Swaraj, my people should get benefit of each and everything. As food, clothing and shelter are the basic necessities of life. Without food, clothing and shelter, man cannot live. So in a welfare state, these needs of people are satisfied. So these needs of the people should be satisfied. People should be happy. So and women are honored. Women should be given respect. Common people, peasants means workers, are not deceived. They should not being cheated by others. Injustice is not done to anyone. Everybody should get justice. Justice is dispensed. Justice is dispensed. Dispensed means it should be hand out quickly. Quickly the peasants, the workers, the person who got problems or hurt because of something, justice should be given to them. Justice should be handed out to them quickly. Agriculture and industries develop well. He also seen that agriculture and industry should be developed well. Folk arts flourish. Folk, folk arts should grow. People can live a happily contented life. Contented means satisfied life. People should live happily. They should have the satisfied life. People lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the qualities of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. Now, to go on the work smoothly, Shivaji Maharaj appointed 8 ministers. So, the council of 8 ministers. Name of the ministers are given, designation, then department. Name of the minister, Moro Trimbak Pingle. Designation, Amatya. Department, administration. He should look after the political affairs. Second, Ramchandra Nilkantha Muzumdar, Amatya, Mantri. His work was, department was revenue and accounts of the state. He should look after the revenue and accounts of the state. Third, Hambir Rao Mohite. He was Senapati. His department was defense, military, law. He should look after the military. Fourth, Moreshwar Pandit Rao. Designation, Pandit Rao. Department, religious matters. Moreshwar Pandit Rao should look after all the religious matters such as puja, then marriage, everything. Niraji Raoji. Designation, Nyayadish. Department, justice. He should look after the justice, law and order. Annaji Datto, Sachiv. Department, government orders. He should look after the government orders. Seventh, Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis, Mantri. He should look after the department given to him was correspondence, agreement, connection, everything he have to see. Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir. Designation, Sumant. Department, foreign relations. He should look after the foreign relations. So in this way, the council of 8 ministers was set up for the easy working of Swaraj. Now, why after so many efforts Shivaji Maharaj developed Swaraj? He developed Swaraj so the people should live happily. This Swaraj was created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, the qualities of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. Emerged means it appeared in the people of Maharashtra. Protection of environment. Natural environment, as we know that natural environment includes land in nature, factors like air, rain, rivers and stream. These all comes in natural environment. Seas, forest, the birds and animals. Light received from the sun. It is beneficial for man to make use of environment only to meet his necessities. Now, man is a very intelligent person, as we have seen that. So, he used his intelligence and he started making use of the environment to fulfill his necessity. Shivaji Maharaj took precautions to avoid the destruction of these environmental factors. He said that yes, we can use the environmental factors, but we must not harm our environment. We have to take care of our environment. Shivaji Maharaj saw to it that the forest in this kingdom would not destroy by the people. Now he just wanted to tell that we should not harm the environment. We have to keep it safe and we have to complete our necessities also. So what things should be done? He gave order. Now for the navy, it is necessary to build boats, as it is very necessary to build boats and ships of various size and their beams, masts, oars, etc. Now for all these things wood is required. So to obtain this wood, Shivaji Maharaj gave permission that only teak tree should be cut off. If more teak wood is required, it should be purchased from the foreign territories. But on no account, means the people should not cut mango or jackfruit trees. So he just took care that only teak wood have to be cut. They don't grow. Now people look after them like their own children, as he know that for jackfruit, mango, people just look after just like their own children, and they grow them in such a way. So if such trees like mango, jackfruit, if such trees are cut down, then people will feel very sad. So it should not be done. Even when a tree is greatly worn out, if a tree is worn out, means now there is no condition for the tree to get prosperous. So worn out totally means if the leaves are down and the wood is dried, only then it can be cut off. But for that also the owner's permission is necessary. Without his permission, without consulting him, nobody can cut the tree. So in this way Shivaji Maharaj took care of the environment also. Next part we will see in part 2. Thank you.